Transform your kitchen game with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate all-in-one solution for slicing, dicing, and spiralizing. Whether you're a busy parent or an aspiring chef, this versatile gadget simplifies meal prep, saving you time and effort. Its durable 420 stainless steel blades deliver precision cuts, from crisp cucumbers to hearty potatoes, with ease. Say goodbye to dull knives and uneven slices. What sets the Fullstar Chopper apart is its user-friendly design. Equipped with a non-slip rubberized base and a soft-grip TPU handle, this BPA-free chopper ensures stability and comfort. Its built-in catch tray eliminates countertop mess, making cleanup a breeze. And yes, it's dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Perfect for healthy eaters, this kitchen essential supports quick, hassle-free prep for salads, stir-fries, and more. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper has even gone viral on TikTok for its efficiency and sleek design, proving its value in real kitchens worldwide. Ready to elevate your cooking experience? Click the link below to grab your Fullstar Vegetable Chopper from Amazon today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more quality product reviews. Your support fuels us to bring you the best kitchen gadgets and home essentials.